Okay guys, we're up on the strip. Rocky's bar there. So on the other side of the road we've got the Rose and Crown. These bars, yeah, you can all come and have a look at these on your night set. The Charles pub there. Quite a lot of music going on around here. YouTube, we're not trying to pinch any music, we're just trying to show people around. Massive souvenir shop, clothing shop, a bit of everything in there. Need a few snacks if you're hungry. I'll bring this out of the way there. You've got the outback over there. Oh, that's just over there, and the meeting point a bit further up. We're going to carry on down the strip. Got the red line there. Picture on a bit of an angle again here, hang on. I don't think he likes filming up here, to be honest. There we go, it's a bit straighter. Yeah, loads of bars down here at night. Some of them are open in the day at the moment. End of November, they're probably really quiet in the day. There'll be a few open doors somewhere in Benidorm you can get a drink. No matter what time of night or day. There's Rockefellers. Great for evening entertainment shows. Shell Rock. Mixed reviews about that. It's one of the places you either like or not. They have live entertainment in there, like groups on and stuff. Insomnia. Wow. Okay guys, up by the Benny Cactus. There it is. Hope you can see that alright. Got plenty of sun on the camera, so I can't see a thing at the moment. And there's the entrance. It's up a little bit of an hill. There are a couple of ways up to this, so come up the steps. Yeah, there's a cactus on the building. It's the one you can see from right up the other end. All the lights on. Sister to the Nadal, sister hotel. And now being Nadal being right down on the front. We're going to walk down towards the front now. Not going to take the steps down, we'll go the other way. There are the steps going down. Just down there, a couple of minutes and you'll be on the seafront. And there's another entrance into the Benny Cactus where the people are.
I think
just
there's
to your left.
Also an entrance through the Nadal.
Yeah, you probably come up through the Nadal as well.
I think because that's St Paul area.
The flies are quite bad today though. You've got a supermarket there. They're one-stop markets, yeah?
Yeah, one-stop British products, probably.
Yeah, don't be fooled by that, guys.
Yeah, that probably don't do Marmite.
It's probably mainly Spanish. That seems to be what we've found. British supermarket is, so British people go in there. Sorry guys, loads of flies up here again. Quite bad today. Not so none of this bad this year. Just looked down at my arm just before I started filming, covered in blood. Where one of them would have bit me. So you can see if you've got a wheelchair or you know you're not too good on your feet, probably not the best way of coming down to the beach. If there is a way through the hotels, probably. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. Starting off with the H10 Porto Pontietta. One of the newest hotels in Benidorm, not the newest, but looks really nice. So we're going to walk up this way today. Also finished to get myself killed. Run across the road. Sometimes in Benidorm you find out where your trolls are. I'll show you where ours are. This guy here. Yeah. Anybody who gives you any trouble will be in there, guaranteed. Had my channel suffer because of this guy. Shit he gives people. Guys, I just would not bother. If you come into Benidorm, do not bother with this place. It's going to be like dead expensive. We're down to a different bar there. This is the one down here. This one. Absolute troll central. Might wonder why I say that. We get a loud stick every time we go past that bar. What? Trying to earn a living. Not sitting on the dole back in England. Well, you know, some people are just idiots. Some people are just jealous.